Coming a year after the debut of the standard BMW R 1300 GS, the new 2025 BMW R 1300 GS Adventure makes a big splash with a variety of new optional technological advancements, including a fully automatic transmission, active ride height, and active cruise control dot. And let's take a closer look at the latest facts about this motorbike. The 2025 BMW R 1300 GS Adventure buyers choose from 3 transmission experiences. They can use a fully manual 6-speed transmission with a hydraulically actuated slipper clutch. The next step is to add a quick shifter. The big leap is in the automated shift assistant. In automatic mode, the automated shift assistant makes gear change decisions based on engine speed, throttle position, selected driving mode, and lean angle. Note that the shifter is there to send messages to the TCU. It is no longer mechanically connected to the transmission. Although the 2025 BMW R 1300 GS Adventure has the same motor as the standard model, the Adventure's power plant is tuned differently. BMW Shift Cam has different cam timing. This motorbike is equipped with electronics that have 4 standard riding modes, as well as the optional Riding Modes Pro package, which has 3 additional modes. Stock, you get Rain, Road, Eco, and Enduro. The 2025 BMW R 1300 GS Adventure has semi-active suspension as an option, as well as longer suspension travel. The Adventure has an additional 0.8 inches of wheel travel at each end. Adaptive ride height comes on the 2025 BMW R 1300 GS Adventure as an option. The Adventure has 2 standard heights, depending on how you install the seat, 34.3 and 35.0 inches. The bike drops 1.2 inches at low speeds and stops to make the bike easier to control. Optional adaptive cruise control keeps your speed steady and applies the brakes to avoid collisions. This is part of the optional riding assistant, which includes forward collision warning and lane change warning. Next, there are mounting points on the large tank for attaching accessories. A smartphone charging compartment is standard equipment. It has a USB power port and a 12-volt socket. Emergency call is standard and will contact a person of your choice if you are involved in an accident. Tire pressure monitoring, heated grips, and keyless driving are standard, as are a 6.5-inch TFT and advanced driver interface. And finally, you have to be patient because the new 2025 BMW R 1300 GS Adventure will arrive in dealer showrooms in the 4th quarter of 2024. No price has been set yet.